Hello guys, today I will show you how to change wallpapers on your Android. So let's get started. So here is the first method. On the home screen, press and hold on an empty area until the settings menu appear. Tap on Wallpaper and Style, and here you can tap on Change Wallpapers and select any wallpaper you like. For example, I prefer this one. Then tap Next. Also, you can apply it to the lock screen or home screen only. Then tap Next. And here you go. Then tap Done. And now you have new wallpapers. Also, an alternative method through the settings. So open the Settings app and scroll down to the Wallpaper and Style. And here to tap on Change Wallpapers, select any wallpaper you like, then tap Next and Done. And now you know 2 ways how to change your wallpapers on Android. So if this video was helpful, leave a like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.